to unify all of these graphic treatments on the model, a canvas texture has been applied to the illustration. Now, the final stage of pulling this artwork together is done in Photoshop. It starts off hand-drawn with quite a soft pencil. So there's the kind of human interaction. But in the end, it's pulled together in Photoshop. Now, at that stage, just before it goes to print, a filter is applied to the whole subject. And the reason for that is that certain portions will remain white. This is to accommodate the peepholes that are already there. We don't want those getting confused with the illustration of the house. It also affords us some panels on which we can put some information, facts that are interesting to the visitor. Did you know New Place was a landmark and the largest private house within the town limits of Stratford, etc., reiterating other parts of the story, and also some lifestyle comments that will help people understand how the house was used.